Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I got a low tolerance, cause they don't even know what the problem is. It's me. You waiting on the
All right, all right, all right. Here we go. I'm showing my Robinhood account on the left with a 173-ish profit. I've got my phone going to trade quick. This way I'm not bouncing all over the place for you. I want to show you I bought right there with this contract.
Then watch me do it again. Tell 'em I can't take no loss. My team hold no L's, no. Aiming for the top.
Let's go, let's go.
I ain't taking no loss. I ain't taking no loss. Look, I'ma always win. I ain't taking no loss, no loss, no loss. Look, I'ma always
What's up, D-Jan? How you doing, bud? I wasn't gonna do live today, but I was like, well, let's just see what happens. I do have a Starbucks call running. So let's see. Stochastic is low, but turn-in volume is changing. Let's bounce. I'm gonna go back to a call or a buy on the futures here. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a MA cross right there in a second. Let's see. How's the music? Too loud? Too annoying? Turn it off. I do have the Robinhood scroll down just to hide my total portfolio. Don't need that public. I guess you could always do the math on the percentage, but let's see. Pay attention when I can. Yeah, I can turn the music down a bit more. I watched some of my videos with music on. I was like, that feels kind of amped up. You know, it's kind of fun. So it's copyright free crap. So you know, it's kind of fun. I can pick whatever I. Yeah, not that. Let's see. So all right. So on my futures here, I've got this dollar symbol here is where I bought the contract in. Actually, I already sold that down here. I'll move it. I sold it here and I bought a buy position there because I feel like we are going to potentially have an MA-EMA cross. And I hope we don't go sideways just for my live, right? We did a fantastic drop earlier. Look at this. This just beautiful slope. Wonderful. I also am over here playing. What is this Mario Kart music, bro? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so gold futures is very similar to puts and calls, except okay, this is copper futures right here. Um, except when you go to buying, excuse me, I'm sorry. When you buy, it's like a call. When you sell, it's like a put. So there's no call or sell or call or put options with futures. It's just simply a buy or sell. So it's very, very similar, except you don't have to deal with theta. You don't have to deal with ever-changing Greeks. There we go. All right, where's that EMA cross? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Stochastic is low still. That's okay, because I want to go up. I want to reach this right here. And sometimes you'll reach a high peak, but it won't reflect that on the chart. Why is this music just weird? Rage, let's say Rage Money Power. Let's try that one. Yeah, futures is strange. Futures is oh, it's like GA different options approved. No, I just went to the Robinhood settings area, the account area, and it had a futures tab to enable. I clicked it. That was it. To be honest, I don't know how an account gets it or doesn't get it. I already had options running. Maybe that's why. Ooh, this is an interesting one. What's the 5 minute look like? So 5 minutes still showing a bull band that's kind of a downtrend, not pinching yet. These are just news articles here. And still feeling bullish or bearish, sorry. Stochastic is turning bullish, so that's nice. Let's see. 73, still holding like 4. Now I do have that Starbucks call going over there, so Schwab. Oh yeah. I don't know anything about any other platforms. I exclusively use Robinhood. I know like they get crapped on all the time. People are like, Robinhood. I've only had a few problems where I've had to contact support, and usually it's pretty quick, to be honest. So, um, it's a lot harder to do futures on the Robinhood browser. Um, I just sold my sell. I'm sorry, I sold my buy. That was confusing. So when you're in a buy futures, you're gonna sell when you're in it. So if you have 1, 2, 3 buy contracts, you're going to then sell the equivalent 1, 2, 3 contracts. If you're wanting to do this scalp up and down, you would just then buy the opposite. So if you're in a buy two contract and it's going to reverse, and you want to go into the sell function, instead of doing 2 to 0 you and then buy 2 more sells, you would do 4 sells. That would go from 2 to 0 to net to 2. I hope that makes sense. All right. Let's see. So I sold here on the contract, so I'll move this. To this point, I'm not in a futures right now because I don't like this up and down. It's too close for me. We're only moving from a max of 240. Let's see, 43, 37. That sounds like a lot, and honestly, it is because you're moving at $10 per $1 move on futures here. Copper, what's Copper doing? Copper was fun earlier too. So make sure my time zone is, yeah. So yeah, this morning I bought in around here and I rode that down. I sold somewhere in here because I thought it was going to reverse with this EMA cross. I mean, obviously it reversed, but so I could show you if you want. Let's see. Now, so my $200 day, that's my goal. I told Discord I want to do $200 days, 5 days a week. If we have more, sweet, that's a surplus in case of a bad day. And of course, we do have Sunday afternoon to roll futures. That might help us out. See, if I stayed in that buy option, we would have been gold. But I bet you we're going to hit right here at 43. And we're not gonna, if we cross that, let's see if we cross, you have a lot of consolidation on that side. So I think we're gonna be sideways, to be honest. I do have SPY running over here real quick in trading view. What's the ticker? So trading view on futures is delayed. I don't know why. I don't like that because I need fast. I need fast. One, two, three, four, turn you off because you're a bit much right now. So I use investing.com. I actually like their platform a lot. Their app I don't like, but the browser is actually quite nice and it's free, just like TradingView has opportunities for free. The cool part with investing.com is that you can actually put in a bunch of indicators for free. So for copper, it would be HG right here. HG, can you see that? Am I showing up? Yeah, HG. For the gold, it's going to be GC. So yeah. There's a CL if you want to follow copper. There's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. All right, so here, let's look at SPY, see what it's doing. Yeah, it's sideways too. So gold and SPY or Q, they all kind of line up the same way. If SPY is running, gold's dropping. So money, big money, runs to where the value is going to be, right? So we had gold running crazy because the market was tanking, right? Recently, we've had that reversal. So I've been playing basically on gold going down, copper going up, and natural gas. Natural gas is another fun one too, actually. You can't copper. You can find copper ticker. Yeah, that's why things. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I don't have that one either. But you can add a whole bunch of indicators for free. Yeah. And investing.com, you has on the browser. It's not as easy to use, but it does work. You have to press and hold on like the graph, and it'll show you a spot where it says add indicators. And you can do the same thing. Here, it's right. This guy right there. Boop, indicators. So wait, you couldn't find copper ticker. Not everyone's gonna have it. Like Robinhood only has like three consumables. So we have like oil, natural gas, copper, gold. Okay, so four. And that's it. There's no cotton. There's no corn. I mean, there's hundreds out there. Robinhood only offers a few, so maybe that's what you have. Oh, you found it. Never mind. All right, let's see. I probably won't be on too long live. I just want to do something quick. Oh, we're near my $200 day, y'all. 190. Oh, if something was to go like fun, right? Futures, that's where I make my fun money because you don't have to wait for settled funds. So on my Robinhood, stream delay. Yeah, I know. I have it on the ultra latency delay, but to make it faster, but oops, did that. Let me check something real fast because I'm looking at my. Let me see. Wondering if I can join my own YouTube and see my chats better than on my streaming lab. It's not going to work, is it? All right, it's okay. It's just cutting me off a little bit. It's weird. This chat box is dumb. I gotta replace this chat box with a different one because it cuts off half of your words. If you can read it, like half them are gone. It's stupid. Oh, looks like my internet's gonna be funny. I'm waiting for this consolidation to turn around. Oh, looks like my Starbucks call might be. Oh, it was good. 261, 240, 241 right now. Okay. Now I have a May 9th expiration, and part of me is like, maybe I should just take it. Maybe just take it. Because who knows what Monday's gonna bring, right? And like we see a lot of good green days end up being not so much the next day. Now we didn't have that this last week. It was like what, three, four straight green days in a row, which is like a fun bullish day, right? Let's see. Of course, right when I get into here, it becomes boring. What I might do, where'd the numbers go? It's weird. My numbers instead are all gone. Strange. No, it's okay. I'm sorry, I can't read the rest of that chat. Let me see if I can move that chat box over and see if that helps. Let me go to my editor here. No, just makes it funny. Stream delay, do you update? I'm guessing you're saying update these lives on your account. Yeah, so on the Discord, for anybody else watching, uh, I can show everybody here. Our membership Discord is right here. And I do. So I'm the Greek Geek channel owner right here. And so I try to update best I can. Upload. Oh, upload the lives. I just put the URL link in there. So then you can click over there to my YouTube channel to go follow. So I'll upload like the link live to the chats, and then I'll post the link. So if you look up here right now, this was on 4:30. I covered orb and entries on how to do that. We did some orb drawings. Orb is opening range outbreak. Breakout. I always whip us wrong. Orb breakout. So yeah, I will put my link in here. There's another one, orb training, with a bunch of different chats. Me, Jordan, I think it was just Jordan and two others were on there. Here is Popcat. I was charting Popcat for that was a nice game. I made a few $100 on that. It was nice. So yeah, anyways, for anyone that's not part of our Discord watching, this is the membership Discord, and it's fun. I can actually the link should be in my bio, and I'll post the link to the description of this live if it's not already there. It should be. And this is one of our chats here. That's where I posted my live right now. Boop, right there. So we've all got great people. We've got Dr. Stock, who's one of our experts. He is chatting on here, talking about things. We have a nice win for Sushi over there, 173 on a SPY call for today. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. We have experts. We have all the channels here. We have all the bots right here. Different chats going on. Live streaming, live trading. So yeah, I could actually post these links into the live learning live stream learning section, which I had before. I don't know why. I guess I forgot. Yeah, there I am, right there. It was a while back, but I do. I do. Anyways, let's get back to things. Mentions. Oh, Breadbot. Breadbot's going off. What's Breadbot saying? Let's go look. Let's go. My internet has been funky this last like week. I don't know. RSI EMA bearish for TMF. TMF. I always think Donkey Kong when I see this. DraftKings. I think Donkey Kong. Then I think Nintendo, and my brain goes weird. Bullish for, well, we had Coinbase Render. Render is going up. All right. I got alerts everywhere, folks. Let's go back. What are we doing? So if those are going up, TMF's going down. That means that equities are going up generally. Starbucks is going down from its high from today. Still sideways. Internet's being slow pokey. Yeah, my internet definitely is weird because I don't have my numbers over there. Everything's sideways, folks. But this is what you do. You would, I could go over here and show you. We'll go to, you want the mini gold because unless you have like 20 grand, you can't play contracts on gold. So like the mini or micro, the margin buying right here is 1650. So you need 1650 per contract you're going to buy or sell. And your multiplier is 10, so it means for every $1 move, because if you look over here, you have 0.1 tick. So every time it moves a tick up here, so 0.4, 0.0, that's a 4 tick move. Every time it does that, it is $1 right there, $1. So for every $1 whole move of the value of micro gold futures, you're going to make or lose $10. It's the easier way to play it. So it's kind of similar to calls, except when you have a delta of 0.5, that's $50 per whole dollar move, right? So it is definitely more lucrative to be in a call or a put on options, but you risk more. You have theta eating you away. You have, oh, are we going to drop below? Are we going to drop below, folks? Oh, let's get back in here. Let's update the volume. If we can break these wicks down here, that looks like we might get a new leg lower. Theta's a killer. Yep. I think the next time, if I can make it, if I can become rich, right, to where I can afford to spend money on a personalized license plate, man, I can do it now, I guess, right? It's not that much, but that's frivolous, right? The whole point of this is to be saving money, not buying stupid crap. Plus, if I'm going to offer to the world that I'm a trader, I want to actually be profitable, So anyways, license plate, I want to say theta with an E, so 8, and then H8, theta, heta. It's so stupid, I know. It's so stupid. All right, I bought back in right there for a sell. A cross almost. Do you see that cross almost pop up? It's trying. There it is. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. So an MA EMA cross, when it pops up there, that's a strong signal that it's going to go in that direction. Okay. This will actually update because I'm already in it. It'll pop in a second here. I don't know why it's not. It'll get there. It's lag. There we go. So over here, you can do all of the same things on the phone on the website. It's just not nearly as fast. Like you have to type in what you want and then one and then go. So if you're scalping, you'll never make it. Never make it. Yeah, I guess it'd be let's see, let me write this down. I can't do it on mine right now. Let's see. Date would be TH8A H. Is that too long? That's too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it 8? I think it's 8. No, it's 6 characters. How many can you do? See, I don't even look into it. I just thought it'd be a fun thing. I don't know. So TH8A H8TA. I mean, that's my mind. Oh no, you wouldn't need the 8. Hate. 8. So just A. Yeah. Did you write that? TH8A. Hate. You need an A at the end of the 8. If it'll fit. If it'll fit. I don't even know. Okay, back to this. Stochastic is still low. Volume line is going low. I don't know why with this one you have to kind of update like a 5 to 1 to update the volume. It's kind of silly. I don't know why it does that. It's weird. See? There you go. Yep. Any trader that doesn't do selling puts or selling calls, if you sell those, if you're selling them, actually, theta actually helps you. But for the ones buying calls or puts, of course, theta sucks, right? Let's look for a prior support. It's only 15 bucks in. I don't want to lose minimals. Scroll out here. Prior. Oh, look at that. What's Mo always say? When in doubt, scroll out. We think we're going to go lower. We look right here. Look at that massive level of support right there, right where we're at. So what I'm doing, I'm going right back in here and I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm keeping that 14 bucks. Because this right here, this giant level support that's thick. That's thick. She's thick. And then scroll back farther. Look at all that. Whoa! When in doubt, scroll out, folks. Look at all of that support right here. And that's back in, what day was that? Yesterday. All yesterday. So I'm not going to go in there until I see it break through. Let's see. Looks like it is actually. So I'm out. What's my day? Still in 170s. Come on. Hit 200 and I'm selling out. That's my day. That's my day. I do have to get going here pretty quick, so it's gonna do a leg up, isn't it? Yep. And then your stochastic is down here. That's gonna start going. I haven't actually never Googled that. Is it stochastic? I doubt it. Stochastic. Sounds about right. Stochastic. Stochastic. This is so stupid. You know what we need? Copper's still going sideways. Look at oil. Look at that wick. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh, well, oil. What are you doing, oil? What are you doing, oil? I like this green. Change that. Let's do red. Sure. Let's get into some oil, maybe, huh? Let's see. Natural gas real fast. Oh, natural gas was another one this morning. That was nice. All right, if it breaks that line, I'm going in. Scroll out, scroll out, scroll out, scroll out. No. Oh, way out there. Way out there. But again, if it breaks that, we'll be okay. So, oh crap. Oh, we're good. Okay. I scrolled too fast to get angry. Oh, your Insta bios Theta Heta? Sorry, I missed that comment. Nice. That's cool. All right, are we gonna go in? We're gonna do a sell? Are we gonna do a sell in oil here? Oh, I want to so bad, but I'm not sure. Stochastic is crazy. Look at that. It's like wild. It doesn't even know what it wants. Nope. Nope. It's going back up. Yeah. Okay. So you gotta be careful. You know, your gut feeling isn't always right. Sometimes it is. Sometimes you gotta follow. Oh, sorry. That's Discord. Gold still. Beta weights holding puts on SPY. Oh, that's what it's old. Let's see. Hood puts. SPY crash. So if SPY's gonna crash, then we have gold to watch. So far, nothing yet. Sideways. All right, you know what? I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna head out. Sideways trading for live is not fun. It's boring to watch. Even natural gas here, I'll show you real quick. Even natural gas is not. Well, that's weird. When I go transitions, it erases my comments. That's annoying. Natural gas was all day since this morning, like 3 a.m. down here. Beautiful. Just really nice. Easy to scalp. Boom, 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 boom. You got narrower and narrower. So as it gets narrower, we're going to go back into consolidation. And then either it's going to crash or it's going to. Very nice long-term upslope. Look at that. Since 425. A week. And natural gas and copper have really nice tick values, by the way. So. Yep, sideways, sideways. All right, well, I'm out of here because sideways trading on live is just boring. You just see me talking and looking at charts that don't do anything. So I'll get on later if it goes any better. But anyone that's watching still, come on over to the Discord. Link is in the bio and description. Check SPY. I might have a down slope here. Should we look at gold real quick, real fast? Last chance. This is some fun jazz, huh? Ooh, should we get some gold real fast? Let's see. If that, oh, there's a cross right there, but this is so sideways. I just don't trust it. Don't trust it. Stochastic is already high. I think we're gonna get like right here in reverse. Well, I hope that was fun, and I hope you learned something looking at my charts, watching me talk about support levels, zooming out when in doubt, that kind of thing. All right. Yeah, if we get out of this sideways pattern, I'll try to hop on later. We got some time in the afternoon. Usually midday is when things get weird, so we'll see how it goes. All right, thanks for watching. Join the Discord. Come on over if you do join us. I'm the Greek Geek Expert channel owner, runner, whatever you call it. I run this thing. This one here. This is mine. And Stockmo. This is our guy. This is just all the stuff. But anyways, this is yeah, this is our thing, man. But man, y'all. Oh, any ideas on Robinhood breaking out? Maybe. Should we go look real fast? I keep saying that. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. No, don't go. Ugh, yuck. Look at that. Look at that. Sideways. Ugh. So we've got low. So you have to break through that, and then break through that. Then yeah, you're gonna drop. But my guess is it's gonna get near that and bounce. So yeah, if you looking at maybe 48.7 somewhere in there, 48.7, yeah, 48.70. If it breaks that, likely they'll keep dropping. But it's the afternoon. Orb strategy doesn't work anymore. It's too late. It would have worked down here. You would have placed your orb upper line somewhere in there. What is this music, folks? 7:30, 7:45. So you would have placed your orb line right here, like that, and then dropped over to a 5. And then you would have had a retest here. Actually, it never actually broke. Look at that. We're in indecision mode right on that orb line. So based on this orb, I wouldn't have gotten to any calls or puts. Nope. It's gonna fall into an orb channel, and then we'll see. Anyways, okay, that's it. Join our Discord. Come over, learn from us. It's fun. It's great. It's exciting. I've had several of my members upgrade from learner lower tier to the earner tier, which is what you all should get into. And they've already made money. I mean, hundreds this week. Not financial advice. We don't do that. We don't copy trade, but it's great stuff. Okay. That's it. That's all. Have a great day. If I don't get back on or see you again, join the Discord, subscribe to the channel, and we will learn all together. All right.